Welcome to the Tech Boy Anand YouTube channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Boy Anand. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the MS Gaming Over pop-up message on your Windows 11 PC, quickly and easily. Step 1. Open Registry Editor. Click on Start, type Registry Editor, and open it. Now, navigate to this path, HKEY_current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, CurrentVersion, Game DVR. Step 2. Edit or create AppCaptureEnabled. Select the Game DVR folder. On the right side, look for AppCaptureEnabled. If it's there, double-click it and set the value to 0. Then hit OK. If it's missing, right-click on the blank space, select New, DWORD 32-bit value, name it AppCaptureEnabled, and set the value to 0. That's it! Close the registry editor, restart your PC, and the annoying MS Gaming Overlay pop-up should be gone. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Boy Anand for more quick Windows fixes and tech tutorials. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.